Greetings friends and welcome on my channel. Right now I am bringing you the new episode of 300 series as usual in this time. And today I think we will be continuing with the chemical production of different type of acids, and maybe I start with building the production for sulfur, lithium sulfur batteries. Yeah, I have stuck this in my mind from yesterday, and I'm still thinking I should be able to squeeze that production in even here. So before we do something proper, we could connect all these together, I think. So I will do the usual thing with pipes around here. I will connect all these pumps into one pipe and join all these inputs. Why not like that? And you will join over here, and the same thing right there. In some underground pipes like that, and from here to there. No. That really doesn't make sense to use underground pipe for that really short distance. Up here, from here to there, the same thing over there. Yeah, we have lots of pumps, so I think we shouldn't have a problem to support all our production from this one patch of mineral water. And these are quite nice places everywhere, so you can join there, except this one. This one needs to do output over here, something like that, maybe. Yes. Okay, that's done. Now, huge storage tank. Somewhere in the middle, no. Somewhere over here, most likely, yes. And you need to go. I will need to move these pipes somewhere closer to this bell, like that. And it's not this one. It's actually this pipe over there. That means I could do that and join it right there, like that, and move this little bit back. Yeah, that's better. And one over here and one over here, so this is fine. Now I can join that on the end of these, and we have small spot for producing lithium chloride. So, and for that we need hydrogen chloride and mineral water and lots of chemical plants. And first, what will be okay, we need 2 input with 1 output. 2 input with liquid and 1 output on belt. And I think I am having some universal, yes, this setup. From here and offset a little bit because I don't want to be So close to that. And yeah, this is without beacons. That's a little bad, but whatever. Excuse me. And actually, no. Actually, I will rather remove that. Yeah, I will use this part. So from here, and you are ending like four. Or you are covering the four of these. So like here. So now let's change that recipe to like that. So we know that this pipe is very close to that tank, which is perfect. Now you are the last one. You are the last one. You will not have any output on into the pipe. You will be outputting something solid and and here I will put more of these with that. Okay, so this will be built with the lithium chloride. And maybe we can do even one more, but 20. How much will give us 20? 4 lithium. Actually 5, maybe 20 lithium? Yeah, it's the 1-to-1, except this takes 25 seconds. But it's fine, I think, it's fine. Okay, also we need some hydrogen-chloride. And luckily we are having here this production for chlorine, which is also producing the hydrogen, and we burning that. So we maybe can do something different with that, especially if I take this part and do that. Yeah, we need more of these over here. Connect this pipe with water. I borrow water from this cracking part of our production for sulfur acid. It's fine, I think. Okay, 2 more electrolysis plant, 2 more production of chlorine over here. You are the last one. And then now we need to do something with that hydrogen. And for that we need chemical plants. So let me through. Theoretically we will be producing 92 and 138, and this taking only 45. So we will have like 47 of chloride, and we actually need for this production 32 hydrogen chloride, which should have 1-to-1 ratio. So we are good in terms of the amount of that chloride. Sure. Now, what to do with that? So if I place another small tank over there and use this pump into 1, 2, okay, that should be enough, into 2 burners like that. and actually make that. Yeah, I am using this one because I used the same one over here. It's fine. It just these large storage are too big to squeeze over here, especially in that place. Make that one. We have electrolysis plants, right? And oh, I forget. These are not under the influence of that beacon, so I need to squeeze another beacon over here. Let me do something else with that beacon. From here to there, and the second one will be here. Yes, why not? So from here to there, we will place beacon over there and beacon over there with lots of speed modules. Now we have final result, which is 100 and 154. Awesome. Well, there will be limitation according to the amount of sand over here, which I will deal later. With that I will deal later. And yes, I need one cable and a set. If you are having more than, let's say, this is 25,000. Yes, 25,000 storage tank. You need to burn the rest because we don't want to fill this tank with hydrogen, which will stop the production, also the chloride. And now we can finally do something with that chlorine production. Give me these 4. And then place them. Yikes. And place them maybe over here. Sure. Change that recipe into hydrogen-chloride. And this will produce 99, and we need like 32, so maybe only 2 beacons in that. 32, 39, yeah, that's fine. You don't need any belts or something like that. And this is the first one, this is the last one. This small, nice build. And your output will go. Let me move you even more down. Right here. Yeah, it's temporary build. We can always do something with that. Connect all these and just into that pipe directly. So now we are having that this belt with that chlorine, which can jump from here to there, and then you have space to do something with that. And you need what? Nothing. Something start to pumping. Yeah, this one pump. Awesome. Now we need to cover everything with electricity. Sure. So maybe this, these. You don't need to be there. Actually, I'm using lots of these. You don't need to be there. Can I find the space where everything is connected? Yes. Yeah, and this is start to filling with mineral water. We just need to connect these 2 pipes. Actually, if I move this beacon up, remove that thing, I can cancel this and this thing directly into there, and this one over there. And yes, this is more compact build. And then the previous one, and now you need one pipe from here to there, like that, and this one will be connected from here into the tank. And now we join these two production together. So now you should have almost everything to produce. We need another substation over there. I really like to move this one, even one tile. No, it's not possible. So everything's having some short cables, goddammit. But okay, now we are talking. This should provide us this. Yeah. So we are producing a little bit of hydrogen-chloride. We are using that for producing a little bit lithium-chloride. And we have this production for chlorine and hydrogen, which should provide enough of that to cover all our requests. But we are out of sand for that, which is unfortunate. But and also we are using that chlorine to mine these rare metals, and we deal with this output later. We need that for this immersion processing, and I think we need to bring that. I don't know, maybe up here and place some small smelters to produce more rare metals. Rare metals ingot. Right now, I just need to do something with that patch of copper, because yes, the batteries needs copper plate. And before we can do that, we need to do some lithium, and I need more electrolysis plants. And yes, so yes, I never use anything for that. This is in my way a little bit, but never mind. Let's place 4 of these. Actually, let's place more than 4, and maybe the rim that I need to these in my inventory. Come on, robot, bring me these. And before robots will bring these, I can place some miners around. Actually, right on that patch. So yes, we will be mining right here because you can be there, or I can place you like that, maybe. Yes, possibly. I can place you between these. Sure. We somehow cover this whole patch to utilize most of it, and it's fine. This needs to go. These definitely needs to go. All these, and a little bit even here. God damn it! these needs to go right there. Can I move that belt one tile? Nope. Nope. And what I can do right here. So, and we soon mine most of these outside parts of this patch, so we can remove these will be removed very soon, and we don't need to be worried about that they are in the middle of all our builds. So I am fine with placing these right here for now, because they will be gone soon. Right now you need to jump over there and, for example, join with this one. And I am not sure if I want that. Maybe I want. Yeah, why not? We have these electrolysis plants, so lithium. And can I use this for lithium? Sure. These 4 with 1 beacon. Oh, okay, we can only place this beacon for 3 of these. And with lots of speed modules, with production modules. Now, how much you will be processing? 1.3. And you also need some chloride. Okay, but you will be producing 1.5 of lithium, and we need 1 lithium to 1 battery, which is great. So yeah, this is actually give me that into my inventory for now. And unit on input water. God damn it. Actually, no, it's fine. Yes. We can use this thing from here to there, and place it right here. Yes. On the opposite side. Why I did it over here? Okay, because we can move actually these up, not this thing. Yes or no? No. Never mind. Let's prepare that blueprint and deal with the spacing later. Now, you definitely need to be on the other side. So, input belt over there, from here to there. This is for water, so we maybe need 1 more water pipe from that lake. And yes, you need to go 2 tiles back. You will be outputting chlorine. Okay, chlorine. Sure. So let's make this right. I am really curious how I can fit that beacon in the middle. Okay. So this will be actually, I don't need to do it like that. Just like that. And chlorine back into that. Where is it? Here. Like that. And yeah, we can deal with the problem of outputting later. Now we need to deal with outputting these on the belt. Excuse me. And Oh god. I can place it there or okay. First thing first, let's move these. Let's replace these. Okay, but I do this from here to there. Move this one over here and do it like outer side. No. This will not work differently. This beacon will cover. Can do this, sure. And then I will connect this one from here to there, and it will not leave me any place for. Yes, of course, any place for inserter. Actually, let's screw that, and let's actually replace everything to the original form, which is fine over here, like that, and there, and there, like that. And then remove the whole thing over here, god damn it, and do this. Use long hair insert to output. Place the belt for output, yes. And now I should have possibly space to place that beacon. If I found it in my inventory over here. Right? Again. Right, that. With this. Jump and this. Okay, this could work. Now I need to leave that over there and that over there. From here to there, input belt, and output pipe. Input pipe. Okay. Now sadly I need to move it down here. I can start like that. And you will want that. This belt needs to go. You will be replaced. This underground you will be replaced with normal belt. From here to there. Then this is for water, so I will take this water pipe. Give me that. From here to there. From here to there. Like that. And yeah, I forget. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. This is yes. So this will produce, I hope, decent amount of 6 lithium. 6. Okay, which is 6 batteries per second. I think it's fine. So we don't even need that many. No, I don't mean to do that. I don't mean to do that. We are producing 19, so in the future we can actually more than triple this production. Yeah, it's really slow, but it's okay, I think, right now for our purpose. And you need to go there. We need this over here to pump back. And actually, we will have lots of chlorine later. And over here, which can be easily deal with one of these. Maybe somewhere like here. Over there. Maybe with the same logic like over there. But we need to connect that with this one. So stop outputting, please. Here we have more than 20,000. Like that. Right now we are having 21, so it will lower that, and together these will produce how much of chlorine? 114, and we are producing 154 of hydrogen, and this using the same amount, so we still will have more hydrogen than chlorine. So this don't need to be actually only in case of really problematic pressure in the pipes. Okay, that's enough, sure. And this will output, we will take that output down here and do something with it. And together with that, I will need small smelter setup. Yeah, this is really big. Over here. We use the most inefficient production over here to produce like 17 of these. Should be enough. Yeah. More than enough. So actually I don't need even these, I think. I think 1.9, this will produce 6. So we need the same amount of these, so 3 speed modules will be great. I could do this smaller, but it's fine. Now this needs to go there and right there. The same thing on this side. Actually, we don't need more than this one. No. Let's clear this mess a little bit. And this can go through. So if I move you a little bit up, this output with this one. Like that. Maybe later we can use this for other things, but right now I just join these all together like that. And forget that I did something horrible like that somewhere. And okay, all these should be somehow connected together and produce enough over here. Now we have local copper and lithium over here, theoretically. Yeah, this takes some time, but it should be enough. Now we have this small, tiny area to produce some batteries. For that, again, I need some chemical plants. And lithium batteries need these three things with sulfur acid. Luckily, we have pipe right there, so. Let's use this compact thing. So I can presume no. Lithium batteries. We can feed it from that side. So right here, like that. Lithium batteries. And how much one of these will produce? Okay, so. We can even use these beacons actually. Maybe. Look like that. I need just only 2 tiles. Yeah, but these are too far apart. Yeah, that's totally the wrong placing. Never mind. So input, and reach that. One belt with lithium and then some sulfur acid over here And the last thing, you need to go there. Will be some actually yes, open belt. And this is a horrible. I never did the ugliest build in all this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Huh. I can make some space by cancel that, and do this. Wait a second. Now it was on the correct place. So for this one, I need this one. I need them. Types. These two will be joined. These two will be joined. With one underground over here and over there. Same thing over here. So it leave us at least two normal. The normal place for inputting something over here. So you need to have the input over there and these two together, and separated one with this belt of copper. Okay, then you will join over here. You will output into the box. What are we missing? Yeah, that's sulfur acid from this pipe. Sure. Okay. And yes, these beacons. One over here, one over there. Maybe replace this thing with the substation will help. Okay, and we are doing a little bit of lithium sulfur batteries. I will leave this. How many of these we are using? We are using 4, so we are not. Okay, yes. Oh, damn it. Stupid beacons. So you can be there, but if I want this one... Yeah, this robot is definitely in my way, so can I do one half on the side? Okay. So here, here, and then these two on the end. Extend that belt a little bit more. Sure, now we are using 5.1, so we still have little overproduction, but right now we are out of something. Yeah, we need sand. And I placed this box over here, which should use all outputted sand for all these belts. And we should have more sand even from here, so I take this belt and forget to connect it over here, which is going and joining that same belt from the other side of here, where we are producing some beryllium and also producing lots of, god damn it. And we have how much right now? We have 300 these and 200 I have in my inventory. This should for now be enough. I don't need actually these lithium batteries. And if I need them somehow in the future, I will build a really proper build. These are only for example, this thing. Now we can do bigger and better batteries. And we're using this one little one. So we can do this one. That's all what we can use. For what we can right now use lithium batteries. And this needs some immersium crystal, this needs immersium crystal, and so on. So right now we are done with that. I will make the battery. Actually, if I cancel that, take this one, I think this recipe use that one. Yes. And a little bit speed up the process. So. Let's prepare another things to ooh. And that will be the nitric acid. I think we need some nitric acid. And I will prepare the pipe for that over here. From here, for example, I will place it somewhere in this area. The production of that. Give me that. I'm fine that we are out of sand right now. We have lots of chlorine to mine these, and we have few of lithium batteries in the stock, but we don't need them actually, so this only need to be done right now. Yes, nitric acid. I will jump it now. Get me to over here and down there, and from here through this mass right over there. Oh, it was perfect lining. I love that. Like that. So, and as we said, or I mentioned that in the last episode, for that acid we need nitrogen and oxygen, or I forget. We need to do we need to produce ammonia. For that we need hydrogen and nitrogen. Then we take that. Oh, and we need these rare metals. A little bit of these, and also that very special Mineral water. So we everything having over here. Not right now, we don't have rare metals, but that's actually rare metals. If I do one belt, okay, through this mess up here, I can do small smelter in this area, and in that area I will place this production over there, and then finally produce that acid in this area. So let me copy the very similar production right here. Yeah, I know. And copy and place it right over there. And no, I don't want to connect. Nope, nope. Let's more in the middle of that. Let's remove that. Stop producing oxygen, please. Yeah, I can do it like that. Well, I should do it like that. That's better. And the same thing with that. On the opposite side, just after the Roboport clear this from trees and then remove these connection fibers between. And maybe let's remove that one more time. And let's put that. Please, let's go. Now, yeah, this will produce wrong thing. I need to produce that. What is your problem? Oh, let's see. This and this. Also this one. And this power are in the way of. Like that. Pass through by or something. Okay, these should be not connected together. Now, recipe. Change the recipe. All these existing machines. This will throw the oxygen, but it's fine. Come on. And then change the recipe to this. Yeah. This mostly not existing right now. This should provide these necessary ingredients for ammonia. Then we can do something with this. Do I have have that smelter in my... yes. Okay, let's... you know what? You should be there. You need to move like that. You can go there, and then this will go down. Sure. From here to there. No. Or yes, I don't know. It doesn't matter. We have enough over here. I can even move you like here. I have enough of not enough space everywhere. So this will be our input with rare metals, which can bring it from here to there. Cancel that belt. Cancel this part of this belt. You will go there. I give you that. From here to there. And downgrade that belt. Do I have my downgrade plan right here? From here. Okay, I will leave this green instead of why not? And like that. So an output, it's going to the opposite side, which is completely fine, which will be here. We take that belt back, we use... That's the reason why this should go up and this should go down. Right? Yes. I will take and split you right here, and we will have output with rare metals for this production and rare metals down here, which rare metals input for here. Sure. And what for I need that rare metals? Oh, over here. I think I need rare metals in these. Actually no, but I need them later for some shenanigans with these crystals and other things. And we definitely can do that. We need to jump. Use for that green underground, I hope. Because we need to leave this space for last production. Now, rare metals. This output, and this output. With this output, this one, and this can do. This can join over here. Like that. Now let's say we have 4 lengths. So one quick 4 lines into 2 lines. Yeah, 4 to 2. Do we have 4 to 2? No, we have 4 to 3 and 4 to 4. So let's forget about that. Let's do 4 to 1. Like that. So always these will have. You need to go and into there. So this should produce some rare metals. How much? Actually, 0 because we don't change that recipe. So I have that recipe. I will place it into all These furnaces. Now this will produce like 35. Really? Okay, this is more than enough, I think. And how much you expect on input? 54. Okay. Just beacon to that beacon. Actually, to be fair, we need to upgrade these into green belt. This, but I don't think this will provide that many to us. Ah, never mind. Okay. Yeah, definitely not. It's not even the full blue belt. But it's providing enough of these for anything what we need. Okay, so let me find this place. And we are missing these. Okay, we need to visit our main base for that. Give me that, thank you. These are not delivered by our supply trains. And what else I can do here? I need to nitric acid. I will have that. Horrible. Really? But it looks like it should work. Okay. You know, this middle section is a little bit too much empty. So this build definitely is not symmetrical for some reasons. I don't know. Okay, I shouldn't run through that uranium patch, but let's just quick visit over there. Now, terrains. Terrains, I need some terrains. Of course, there are none right in this station. Oh, right. Come on, take me back. Take me back. And I will do something with these condensators, bring them back, and in the next episode we will finish the production of nitric acid, because we are too long in this episode already. So thanks you all for watching, thanks you all for your comments, and especially for your support through subscribes, and see you in the next episode. Yes, come on, do it faster. Bye.